Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp. Now after open the WhatsApp, just tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. After that scroll down, then go to chats option. From here scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you can see chat backup option. Then just tap here. After that scroll down again, and here you can find end-to-end encrypted backup option. Then just tap here. It's an extra layer of protection which will protect your chat backup. Then just tap on turn on. From here create a password. Then just tap on next. Then retype your password to confirm it. And after retype the password, just tap on next again. Then tap on create, and you can see it's enabling. You can see it's almost done and the backup is complete, and you can see end-to-end encrypted backup is turned on. And that is how you can enable end-to-end encrypted chat backup on WhatsApp in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.